Okay, is it okay to record the
Yeah,
class? Okay. How are you, Nathan? Are you good?
yeah,
Yeah. Okay, it's okay to eat while having a class. So yesterday we had the lesson, okay, for the reading. We had narrative nonfiction, and for writing we have informational ECR. Okay, a narrative nonfiction is a writing that is true. Okay, that is what nonfiction means. It's true. And in a story-like way. That is why it is
yeah.
called
It's
narrative.
nonfiction. It has a prefix. I think that's what it's called
Mm-mm.
to
Yes.
make it that
Mm-mm.
changes the word's meaning.
Yes. And also for writing, we have informational ECR. And when we say,
But
yes,
fiction means not real. But if you add a prefix to it, such as non, it changes the word, making it mean
yeah,
fiction.
okay.
A prefix is something you add to the start of the word to change its meaning. A suffix
Mm-mm.
is something that you put on the end of a word to change its meaning too.
Yeah, okay. Okay, thank you. So that is again narrative non-fiction. Okay. Oh no, wait a moment. Now let's try. I've searched it here. Oh, sorry.
Sorry
Samples
about
or
that.
examples of narrative nonfiction. Let's try to find one. Oh, it's quite long. Okay, so how about informational writing? What do you understand about informational writing, Nathan?
It gives you facts. It tells you about facts. It's real.
Mm-mm. Yes, it's real and
It tells you about something that may have been long ago or mostly forgotten.
okay.
Things, sometimes things you know, like mostly the things that you would not know.
Mm-mm. Okay. Okay, that's it. So here again, informational writing explains a topic using facts, details, and examples. It does not try to entertain with a made-up story, but instead provides clear, organized information.
Yeah.
And we have here ECR. It's an extended, or it means extended constructed response. So it is a writing task that requires more than a sentence or two. And you need to write a full explanation in several sentences or a short paragraph. So for this one, say for example, you have to say something about one thing. So you just don't write one or two sentences in here, but rather you have to write a full explanation. Okay? It could be in several sentences or in a short paragraph. You understand? Okay? Now let's move on to adverbs. Okay?
Adverb is something that describe a verb.
Yeah.
Another meaning of a verb, like another word for a verb.
Okay. So an adverb, it
One
is,
will
yes,
be
yes.
never mind.
It's okay, it's okay. You can say it.
Never mind, never mind.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, so what is an adverb? We have here an adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. So it gives more detail about how an action happens, when it happens, where it happens, how often it happens, or to what extent or to what degree. So we have here types of adverbs. We have 5. First is the adverb of manner. It tells how something is done. For example, she sings loudly. So we can ask here the question, how did she sing? So she sings loudly. Or how does she sing? She sings loudly. He runs slowly. How does he run? That's slowly. So again, that is,
Run slowly.
yeah. So that is the adverb of manner. It tells us, okay, it tells us how something is done. And again, you can answer the question, how? Okay, how did she do it? How does she do it? Okay, something like that. That is the adverbs of manner. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next, we have the adverbs of time. It tells us when something happens. Okay, so when, of course, you know this one already, it tells time, right? So,
Yeah.
but it's not exactly like time as 12 o'clock, 3 p.m., though that could be. That could also be the adverb, but again, it's not just about like that. Okay, so when we say adverbs of time, it could be a long time ago, it could be later, it could be yesterday, it could be 1 month later or 1 month ago. It could be the day before yesterday. So it's not just specifically like time or hour, but as long
Also,
as it is telling us the time when something happens. Say for example, 5 months ago,
check.
I went to the doctor to like have myself checked. Okay, so the adverb of time there is 5 months ago. Or
Yeah.
even if it's not specific, like long time ago, or I say a long time ago, that is already the adverb of time. When did the story happen or when did something happen? Okay, that's long time ago. There is no specific date or time of the day, but it tells us time as well, so that is already an adverb of time. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we have the adverbs of place. Now the adverbs of place tell. It's okay.
Yeah. Love you. Thanks. I'm back.
Oh, okay. Now we have again adverbs of place. So adverbs of place tell where something happens.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so they are playing outside. Where are they playing? Oh, that's outside. Look upstairs. Okay, upstairs is already an example of adverbs of place. So again, in adverbs of place, it does not have to be like a direct or specific name of place like Philippines, America, or like China, Malaysia. As long as it tells us where the story happened, that is already an example of adverb of place. Outside. Outside is not even a specific name of a place. As long as it's
So
outside.
basically everything was an adverb, right?
Yeah, yeah. I can say that. I can
Even
uh
a pizza.
yes, even if
Pizza on the ground.
mm-mm. Because time, manner,
Barbecue on the ground is a place.
yeah. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah.
I'm starting on approximately 100, 108,968. 16,890 molecules. I'm looking. A lot more.
Yes. Okay. Now let's try to have the next one.
There
Okay.
are so many molecules.
Okay. So we have adverbs of place. Okay. So again, tells where or it tells where something happens. Now, adverbs of frequency. So adverb of frequency tells us how often something happens. So I always brush my teeth. So how often do you brush your teeth? So that's always. He sometimes forgets. So
I'll say 100, 99.1. 99.9.
what?
Because I forgot to brush my teeth once.
Once. Okay. Now, okay, that is again adverbs of frequency tells us how often something happens. Okay, like always, sometimes, most of the time, okay, several times. Now, for the number 5, or the last type of adverb in here, we have the adverbs of degree. Now, tell us how much or to what extent. Now, she is very happy. Okay, happy is an adjective, right? So, very is the word that modifies or that describes the adjective happy in the adverb of degree. So that is tell us how much, it tells us how much or to what extent. Do you understand?
Yep.
Yep. Now let's go back to adverb of manner. We already discussed the 5. Adverbs of manner tells how. Adverb of time tells when. Adverbs of place tells where. Adverb of frequency tells how often. Okay, and adverb of degree tells how much or to what extent. Now, number 1, adverbs of manner. Can you make another sentence with an adverb of manner? Can you make me a sentence using the adverb of manner? It's okay. You can take your time thinking.
To do your homework, you need to do your homework.
Mm.
Do
Okay.
your homework, do your homework.
But where is the adverb of manner there? Okay, again, the
It
adverb
tells
of
you how
manner
to do
tells how
something.
something is done.
Fine.
Like loudly. She sings loudly. So how does she sing?
Thing
That's
you have to
loudly.
put in your mouth and eat it.
Again?
I don't know what else to think of. For example, change serenity. Literally. How things are done. That's manner.
Yes, how something is done. Say, for example, she danced gracefully. Okay, so how did she dance? She danced gracefully. It tells us how something is done.
Yours? I don't know. No. No, let's think.
Mm-mm.
I draw carefully to make eye contact.
Mm-mm. Yes. Can you give me one more?
I eat what? I eat chips. Please describe how you eat. I eat what? I eat chips by putting it in my mouth and
How do you eat? Like describing the verb.
I pick out the chips with my hands and I put it in my mouth and I crush it. You're telling me how I eat a chip?
You're describing the action.
Okay,
I
say for
took my
example.
hand with the bag and I put it in my mouth.
Okay, another example for the adverb of manner is, wait. Oh, the teacher spoke clearly. Okay, so how did the teacher speak? So the teacher spoke clearly. So the clearly there is the adverb of manner that modifies or that describes the verb which is the spoke. Because, okay, that answers the question, how? How did the teacher speak? Okay, another one, he closed the door quietly. Okay, so the quietly there is, okay, yes, the quietly there is an example of adverb of manner in which the word or the adverb of manner quietly describes or modifies the verb which is closed.
No.
Yeah, did you understand?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now can you make your own? You try.
I can make my own manner. Okay.
Yeah, sentence with the adverb of manner.
I can't write.
Yeah, you can write.
I can't.
Okay, you try. Just try. Because there's no harm in trying.
What are you? Why? Not yet. Who did that? I do. I no. What do I do? I no. I brush. Got it. Okay, wait, you got it. I go fast. The glass.
Nathan wakes up last in the morning. You wake up.
Wake up is the manner and
No, wake up is your action, that's your verb.
phone.
Okay, how do you describe wake up? How do you wake up in the morning? Wake up.
I open
Nathan wakes up
early.
So what? How do you wake up?
Early.
Nathan eats chips loudly. What's your action? Eats, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
How do you describe eat?
Lunch.
Loudly.
Loudly.
So you answer it as live in young. L-Y. Adverb usually has an L-Y in the end. Peacefully, beautifully, carefully, loudly.
Yeah.
So it describes an action, another adverb. The simplest one of the adverb. The verb
Okay. Now can you make your own
Yeah.
sentence using all of those adverbs of manner?
I just did.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
And where do you think, or what do you think is, wait, the adverb of manner here?
Faster.
Faster. I draw faster than other drawers. Okay. Okay. Now I will give you list. Okay. I will give you list of the adverbs of manner here. Okay, wait a moment. Adverbs of manner, these are just examples. Okay, adverbs
Yeah.
of manner. Again, we are still on the adverb of manner. Oh, can you see the screen now? Not yet.
I don't.
I don't. Okay,
I
don't
still see
worry.
the same one.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
here we have adverbs of manner. Again, the adverbs of manner answers the question or answer the question, how did something happen? So here are some examples. Quickly, slowly, easily, happily, sadly, gently, loudly, clearly, softly, badly, well. Okay, it could be well. And also it could be carefully, seriously, beautifully, gracefully, smoothly. So there are just many different adverbs of manner. So most of them end in ly.
Wait a minute. What? Well, is not part of this.
What? Okay. So I have
Well.
here sample sentences. Okay, I will show them to you. Okay, and let's try to read them one by one. Okay, and we will identify or analyze how the adverbs are used in each of the sentence. Now, adverbs of manner tell us or tell how something is done. Number one, can you read?
What?
Can you read number one?
The little girl gently stroked the cat's butt.
Yeah, the little girl gently stroked the cat's fur. Now, here, the adverb of manner is
Mm. Gently.
gently. Okay, and it modifies or it describes the verb what? What
Mm.
word
What word?
does the word or the adverb of manner gently modify? So the word gently is modifying or describing the?
Putting the house she stroked the
Yeah,
cat.
very good.
And so I'll be right back.
Okay.
Oh, what? Oh, wait. Listen, ka haswara. I know. I did it backwards. I'm back.
Okay. Very good. So again, we have here sentence number one. The girl gently stroked the cat's fur. So our adverb of manner is the word gently, which modifies or describes the verb stroked, or how did or in what way, okay, did the girl stroke the cat's fur? Okay, correct. Number two, can you try to read? Sentence number two.
Australia played the music beautifully.
Yes, the orchestra played the music beautifully. So what is our adverb of manner here?
Beautifully.
Beautifully. And the word beautifully describes the,
How pretty she played the music.
yeah, very good. So the word beautifully modifies the verb played, or in what a manner, in what way did the orchestra play the music? So the orchestra played the music beautifully.
Yeah.
Yeah, where are you? We can't see you. Okay, there you go.
No.
Number 3, can you try to answer?
Number
I
3.
mean, no, not to answer, but to read number 3.
She answered the complicated question correctly.
Okay, correct. So she answered the complicated question correctly. So our verb of manner here is correctly, which which describes what?
Well,
Again.
luckily describe if she actually got right or she got wrong.
Yeah. Okay, so correctly modifies the verb answered. So it tells us how did she answer the complicated question? How? And that is correctly. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now number 4. Can you try to read?
The soldiers marched bravely into the battle.
Very good. The soldiers march bravely into the battle. Adverb of manner is
And bravely.
bravely. Very good. Adverb of manner is bravely. And then the bravely modifies or describes what?
I just gotta say this with no suffix.
Yeah.
Brave.
Yeah. Okay. The soldiers march brave into the battle.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So bravely describes or modifies the verb march. So it answers the question, how did the soldiers march into the battle? And that's bravely. Okay. So we will continue number 5 to 10 later because now you're going to have your 3-minute break. Okay. I will call after 3 minutes. Bye for now.
Wait.
Yeah.
Never mind. I was gonna do something.
Okay. Later. Bye
Okay.
bye.
Bye bye.